This is the HOROW T38 Smart Toilet. It's a high-end, feature-packed, futuristic toilet that redefines comfort, cleanliness, and convenience, and it's at a very affordable price. Let's talk about the design and build quality. Out of the box, the HOROW T38 looks and feels premium. It's a full porcelain toilet, solid, heavy, and built like a luxury appliance. And I want to put the emphasis on heavy because this is one heavy toilet. The unit ships ready for installation. It has a sleek look. It's a tankless silhouette that's got a modern and minimalist feel. Once installed, the T38 seat opens automatically as you approach. It's hands-free, it's sanitary, and it closes again when you walk away. There's even a button near the base if you prefer to raise or lower the seat using your foot without touching anything. Ambient lighting runs across the base and on the inside of the bowl, creating a gentle glow that doubles as a nightlight. There's a small digital display that greets you with icons and even emojis indicating what the toilet is doing, opening, flushing, or heating the seat. Now the comfort features on this are amazing. The heated seat is one of those luxuries that quickly becomes a necessity, especially in the winter. Temperature is adjustable, and on cold mornings, it makes my routine feel like heaven. The T38 lighting modes are inspired by seasonal colors. There's cold blues, there's warm amber, or you can turn off the lights completely. Inside the bowl, there's a UV light sanitation system that helps kill germs after each use. And there's a pre-flush rinse that keeps residue from sticking. So basically, anytime someone sits down on the toilet, so that residue won't stick on the bowl. It's a smart, automatic, hygienic system. Now let's talk about the bidet and the cleaning system. The T38 has a bidet that does it all. Adjustable water pressure, adjustable temperature, adjustable nozzle position. It's controlled by a wireless remote that's mounted here on the wall, offering both rear and feminine wash modes. Unlike cheaper add-on bidets, the T38 uses heated water for a comfortable, precise clean and a spray that gently moves up and down for better cleaning. And I know this is gonna sound weird, but that gentle movement paired with the nice warm water, it feels great. Once the wash cycle ends, there's a built-in air dryer that activates, blowing warm air to eliminate the need for toilet paper entirely. Press a few buttons, stand up, you're done. It's cleaner and simply feels better than traditional paper. For my friends who suffer from conditions that cause sensitivity down below like hemorrhoids, irritable bowel syndrome, or inflammatory conditions like ulcerative colitis, stop wiping yourself raw with toilet paper and start pampering your bottom with a smart toilet. Now, there are some cool, smart, automatic functions. Automation runs through every aspect of the T38. The toilet flushes automatically when you stand. There's a manual flush button on the side if you prefer control. The LED screen shows flush and seat heat status, while the built-in lighting doubles as a visual cue during nighttime visits. If you're worried about power outages, HOROW has you covered. There's an optional backup battery that allows you to flush even when the electricity is out.